I want to thank our partners, our strategic partners. The way we chose our partners are companies, individuals who are aligned with us, who have the same thought process, authenticity, right, reliability, safe and predictable. So for our milling, for our PMMAs, we utilize the Imes Icore. So this is really when we do our prototyping, we utilize the Imes. Post-surgery, the #1 in-office 3D printing Sprintray. They're devoted to implant dentistry, from software, hardware, engineering. They are 100% integrated, they're aligned with us, and they provide us the best printing solution for in-office printing. So, and now we're using their allonX Top, now the allonX Top 2, and also the new build plate. We can actually print an arch instead of 40 minutes. Within 20 minutes, I can have my full arch printed.